Hey guys, I'm here with another one. This one I want to keep it short. I want to talk about the 5G poles, guys. This morning I was cycling throughout my neighborhood, ready to go to like work. And what I noticed, guys, is that how should I say it? Um, have different poles. But now what I'm seeing is that they replaced the poles and they made in such a way that everything is 5G. And I don't know about you guys, but I lately have been having this thing, right? That when I'm outside, I get these weird thoughts. I get like this itching. I get like I'm on fire, guys. Shortness of breath. Then I went to look up 5G represents all those things I just talked about. It also can trigger anger in you, when you see others. It's like you want to escalate, or lose control or like fight, people get on your nerves very fast. And 5G is known to do that, to, how do I say it, amp up aggression in you. That's why lately, guys, I don't know. The other day I went to the supermarket, I kid you not, or the other day, sorry, 2, 3 weeks ago, sorry. I went to the supermarket and this Turkish guy, man, the neighbor across me, on the other side of the road, this guy was really tweaking out, saying all types of cuss words, yelling profoundly, and very angry and aggressive. And at first, I thought maybe he was talking because nowadays, a lot of people walk with earpieces in, so you don't know. So I try not to judge, but then I came closer and I saw this guy was really tweaking. And listen, guys, the moment you took the jab, now you have robot nanoparticles that can connect to 5G. And I remember that in the Netherlands, they have this pulse that it flickers once a jabbed up person walks past those poles. And it doesn't happen to the non-jabbed person because I tried it and I didn't have that problem. Back then, I think it was 2 years ago. I was walking with the female narcissist. We went out to eat and we saw it. And say what you want to say, but she did not take that the jab. And we were walking there, and I told her, "Look, just look closely outside, and you will see um, what I mean." And then the pole began to flicker, and this is what I mean, guys. And I've been noticing that since these poles came here, a lot of birds went like dying off or missing. And they're also cutting a lot of trees, guys, to mess up our oxygen. I don't know about you guys, but I have days that I'm in the house, I'm young, I work out, I eat biologically, I work out, I drink a lot of water, I meditate a lot, I'm in nature. There's no sense, and I take the right vitamins, exactly what's suitable for me. I did a test. I take care of my body excellently. So it would make no sense for me to be short out of breath. I have no cancer, I have no diabetes, I have none of that bull crap. So it makes no sense for me sometimes to go through that. And I didn't have these problems in 2019. So you tell me, guys, those polls came around 2021, right? It wasn't directly in 2020 because then it would be too obvious. Even the bots would then know. But it came like in 2021, and by 2022, it was really there. And they're still making new ones so that people cannot detect it. You see what I mean, guys? So you tell me, man. But I've been having strange things lately, like twitches, muscle aches, and I just barely passed 30. I'm a young guy, so it doesn't make sense, for me to be having this type of issues. Even if I was 40, you're still young, so that shouldn't be the case, That I've been going through these things lately, these ages lately. So yeah, guys, you tell me. And that being said, be at peace.